Alright guys, this little group here is Remy. Remy is listed as a 1-year-old Jack Russell Terrier, heartworm negative. Mika is listed as a 1 to 2-year-old Min Pin mix, heartworm negative. And then we have 2-year-old Augie, who is listed as a heartworm positive Shep Corgi mix. Mika, Remy, and Augie have been into foster. The foster had to go out to town for a little bit, and they are back at the shelter and looking for forever homes through adoption or rescue. I have been told that Augie is a little cautious with people, but we have not had any issues with him out here for the past week, so he will be fine. He is a little bit shy. Remy and Mika are very lovable, very friendly, and we get along fine with each other, and the dogs that are right next door to them. So let's get Mika, who's a 1 to 2-year-old Min Pin, heartworm negative. Remy, who is almost 1 year old, Jack Russell Terrier, heartworm negative. And Shy Augie, who's 2-year-old Corgi Shep mix, who is heartworm positive, rescued or adopted, because they've been in the system a little bit too long.